told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So welcome back. This is a continuation of the last video that we passed the test. You will be directed to this page, and you can listen to your audio here.
Spray a little bit on your...
Okay, you can listen to your audio.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hi. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon.
Okay, so what you do, you just come here to these three dots and you download the audio. All right, yeah, you can see here it's downloading. After it has completed downloading, then you find a software, online software, either free or a paid version, and you transcribe it there, and you correct. Okay, you do some editing so that it can fit the guideline. And please, if you are not familiar with the GoTranscript guidelines, please go back, read again and again and again until they are on your fingertips. Then you can even come to the old test here. These are the old test. I can open this link. Let me open for you. You see all these are some audio that has been transcribed to you according to the GoTranscript guideline. So for example, if you click on this one,
I want to start off by saying that I know I have an accent.
Okay, you can see this one. If you type here anything, all right,
An accent, and please don't assume it's...
then you click on show results. All right, show result. This one is already done for you. You can see, all right, it has already been transcribed for you. So what you do is, you can see whatever I typed here, it has been strict. There's a line through and the color is red, meaning that is wrong. All right, so what you have to do is write like this one. All right, are we together? This is how you are supposed to do it. This is their test, their practice test. So you can go back and do all the test, and if you find you don't have much errors, then you can come to the test and you can complete the test. Sorry, I have some hiccups. Okay, but let's continue. So I've downloaded the audio, this audio, and I have this software that I'm using. So let's go together and you listen to the audio. Okay, hope this video will help you to understand how to pass the GoTranscript test. Okay.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hi. So I just ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon, and I was just going to go look through my orders because honestly, sometimes I feel like I spend too much money on stuff that I wind up later not needing at all. So one of the things that I ordered was this Bluetooth adapter that's supposed to make it easier for me to play music in my car. Because see, I have this really old car, and the CD player stopped working. So I was thinking about either getting a new CD player or getting a new car. Actually, I was kind of debating a new car, but unfortunately, I just don't have the money for that, because even a down payment on a car that I could afford would be at least $1,500, and I just don't have that. So here's what I came up with. I came up with this Bluetooth FM transmitter that's like a car adapter that you stick in the cigarette lighter. I've never tried one before, so I'm kind of interested to see if it works. And then I bought a bunch of USB flash drives, like a 5-pack that each of them is 4 gigabytes. They're like thumb drives, and they're really cute, the ones I ordered, because they're multiple colors. Like they're black and blue and pink and orange and green. So I thought that might make it easier for me to figure out which is which, because I know they have a lot of capability on them, but I think I'm going to just put different types of music on each one, so that when I'm in my car and I'm in the mood to listen to like Weird Al Yankovic, I can just pull out the I don't know, the orange one. I think I'll make orange Weird Al's color, because I don't know, I like Weird Al. Anyway, I don't know if you've ever heard him, but he plays the accordion and he writes parodies of songs, and he's been around since the 90s or maybe the 80s, I don't know. But anyway, so I'll have Weird Al, and then I'll have some sentimental crap like Enya and John Denver and stuff like that on another one. And, you can see what I'm talking about, right? So then on a completely different note, I ordered this de-shedding tool for my cat. See, we have 2 cats, and one of them has just super long hair, and he's always getting fleas and stuff in the fur, and we give him flea treatments. But because he's indoor-outdoor, he still gets fleas. So this is called the Furminator 10730. It's a long-hair de-shedding tool for cats. And Furminator is the name of it, like Terminator, only fur instead. So my vet recommended it, so I'm going to give it a try and see if it helps our cat to feel a little better this summer. And then this is something completely different. See, I've been making popcorn at home, but the problem is with popcorn, it really doesn't taste that good to me unless it's got hot melted butter on it. But hot melted butter just adds tons of calories and fat to your popcorn, and the whole idea is for it to be like a diet food, right? So I was reading online that there's a way to take a smaller amount of butter and mix it somehow with water. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at the videos, but you put it in a spray bottle, and then you can just, spray a little bit on your popcorn, and then sprinkle some other flavorings like ranch dressing powder or something like that. And I already used the ranch dressing powder, and sometimes if I want it to be sweet, I'll use cinnamon sugar or something like that. But if the popcorn is dry, it just all seems to fall to the bottom of the bowl. So I'm interested to see how that'll work.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If it helped you, please click the subscribe button.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until